Local news for Wednesday, the 13th of May. Council facilities in Masterton will reopen in phases over the next few weeks as New Zealand moves to Alert Level 2. The Queen's 3 Customer Service Centre and Masterton Library will both reopen on Monday. Masterton District Council Chief Executive Kath Ross said Council was following government's emphasis on reopening in a safe way. Community facilities, including playgrounds, drinking fountains and public toilets, will open gradually. The gym at Trust House Recreation Centre will open Thursday, with the opening of the pools to be phased in after May 23. Police are looking for the public's help following an unprovoked assault in Harley Street on Friday, the 1st of May. At approximately 7:30pm, a male has assaulted a female in Harley Street near the bleachers at South Park. The man is described as approximately 30 to 40 years of age, with olive skin, chin-length dark brown hair with light or highlights on the end or grey streaks and short stubble, and was wearing a lightweight zip-up jacket, black beanie, blue jeans, white sneakers, was of medium height and was carrying a reusable white shopping bag. And the Old Masterton Vegetable Seeds Processing Plant will reopen for local seed growers. PGG Wrights and Seeds has announced a long-term lease on the former Akura Road site and machinery. Prior to the weevil incursion in Wairarapa, the industry was responsible for 10% of the $50 million in domestic sales and $80 million in export sales that New Zealand earned from peas in 2016. Kia ora. For local news, I'm Brent Gare.